What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Beautybyadaa here, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about hair, makeup and lifestyle. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to bleach your nails. Stay tuned and please remember to subscribe to my channel. So guys, you're going to be needing the Nairobi foam wrap. You're going to be needing your tighty developer, Clairol, and also you'll be needing the Clairol BW powder, your hand gloves, your mixing bowl, and the Shimmer Light shampoo. So guys, I'm going to start off by combing my hair backwards, and then I'll be applying the Nairobi mousse to it so that everything lays down flat and you can actually go backwards. You don't want any hair coming out or any hair coming in front. So you brush all that backwards. After brushing, you pull it out, and then you're going to be turning the back to where you want to apply, to your lace front where you want to apply your bleach. First, you want to start off by putting on your hand glove, and after that I'll be mixing the 30 developer, the Clairol 30 developer with the BW powder. I'm putting in 2 spoons of the BW2 powder, and then I'll be mixing it with the Clairol 30 developer. When mixing, guys, you want to make sure that it's more like on the thick side. You don't want it too light because it will bleed through your hair and it can damage your hair, so we don't want that. So we want it to remain on this consistency. So and then guys, if you're new to this bleaching game, you can just don't do the 30 developer, you can buy the 20 developer, start from that, so you don't damage your hair. I'm applying the mixed bleach now, and when applying it you have to go in light strokes. Don't press it down too much so it doesn't like touch your hair. So you just go in light stroke just on top of the lace. After applying this, you like to leave it for about 20 minutes before you wash it off. So depending on how many volume developer you're using, that will determine the amount of time you leave it for. So now guys, I'm going to be washing the bleach off from the hair. And after washing the bleach off from the hair, I'll be using the Shimmer Light shampoo. You actually want to use the Shimmer Light shampoo, the purple color shampoo, because it reduces the brassiness on the lace. So I apply that and I leave it for about 5 minutes before I wash it off finally, and then wash off, rinse again or wash again with my conditioner. So guys, this is the finished look. This is how your hair will look like. This is how your frontal will look like. Yeah, this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button, like my videos and share my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.